Hey guys. Hey guys. What's going on, guys? We had a lot of movers yesterday. We haven't seen that many movers in a long time. A lot of things making moves. My only regret is I didn't do twice as much TQQ. That's my only regret. And if we have another straight up day today, there's gonna be a lot of mean reversion setups for tomorrow and Friday and Thursday. If we have another straight up day like we had yesterday. I don't think we will, but there's potential, like if let's say we go straight up to, like, I don't know, 370 or something in the Qs, and then have a gap up tomorrow. Oh man. Yeah, they're all bounce setups. There are no breakouts in this market. You don't get You don't get breakouts in the first leg of a rally after a sell-off, because there are none. It's just bounce setups. Now, to be determined if this is just a dead cat bounce and we have another leg lower, or if this thing was a solid bottom. I don't know. Why I bought hubs over all the other stuff? Why not? This is the list of all the bounce setups, or they're more liquid, the higher priced ones. Sorted by ADR. Hubs, you know, fairly high up. It's a good quality setup. And on the monthly, kind of undercut the 20 and reclaimed. Or it's trying to reclaim, so why not hubs? Zim was a breakout? No? Where's the breakout? I don't see a breakout here. It's just a grinder. This is not a breakout type of a stock. This is more of a, you buy it when it's down, finding support on a rising moving average. Well, it's not tough to trade if you buy it correctly. If you buy breakouts on certain stocks, breakouts don't work. Certain stocks are just mean reverting. You buy them when they find support on a rising moving average. And these oil names, a lot of oil stocks are setting up. I'm not going to do any oil stocks. I'm going to do the ETFs, but you know, a lot of them are setting up. GSL. Yeah, again, like, where do you buy this thing? Tough one. Today I don't think I'm gonna do anything. Just gonna watch my positions, my 2 positions. Don't really see anything to do here. UPS is an EP candidate. Not really the type of stocks I'd like to trade. I don't know. Maybe it works. I'll pass. Whatever. Earnings season is just starting. There's gonna be a lot of opportunities. Hopefully. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch some YouTube.
börja med det vi har på oss. Isstubbarna, de ska sitta så högt upp som möjligt. Under hakan. Ska inte hänga och slänga på bröstet. Det är mycket enklare att få loss dem om de sitter högt. Om vi går vidare sen så har jag min räddningslina. Räddningslinan sitter i...
You can hear it. I'm watching a ice safety video on YouTube. Why? How the fuck can you hear it? That's weird.
Min ryggsäck. Och den sitter så att jag...
Well, that's weird. It must be taking the system sound or the sound from the computer directly. Oh well. So all these technical issues. I'll just watch some YouTube on my phone then. Back? Oh man. This thing has fallen 93%. What's This is what this is why you have sell rules, guys. Don't be the victim who holds something like this, who buys it at 25 and still holding it. Don't be that guy. The world is full of those guys. Don't be that guy. Develop sell rules. Yeah, Palantir too. This is another retail cult stock. I don't know why every retail trader loves this thing. It's a piece of shit, but okay. Yeah, Wish. I don't know if Wish is that much of a cult stock. It's a very good thing if we go, you know, pull back, go sideways a little bit for a few days. Would be a very good thing. Wait, what? Oh, I have two February 1st. Sorry. it's setting up. But I'm not sure if I would trade this on the month, or sorry, the yeah, it's kind of setting up. It's been holding up really nicely. If we can tighten up here, would be nice, and then break out on high volume. But it also has earnings in a week. Maybe it breaks out on earnings. Dix. Is Dix breaking out? No, it's not. Looks like shit. MRO on the hourly? Well, MRO, it looks like exactly like every other oil stock and oil ETF. They're setting up. Can I buy BGI and pump it for you? Nope. But I can block you. Guys, the chat rules are very, very clear. If anyone is confused why I just blocked the guy, you need to follow instructions on the screen. What has been the best way for me to find these stocks showing bounce opportunities? Well, you wait for them to stop going down. And then you kind of look for some type of reversal candles or ranges to the upside. And sometimes you're looking at something like SC, for example. It's like, you know, there's no obvious support on the daily, and that's why you kind of look at the weekly and monthly, and you see monthly it almost kind of hit the 50, and you can see it with a lot of these beaten down past leaders over the past 2-3 years. They're all kind of bouncing off the either the 50 or the 20 weekly. For example, Hubs, which I bought yesterday, undercut the 20 and tried to kind of bounce, you know, trying to reclaim. And all of these other stocks, you know, TTD, Twilio, they're all either kind of trying to bounce off the 50 or the 20 monthly, even though there's no support. So you kind of look at those types of levels, and then you look at the candles, right? Are they bouncing? But they don't have to bounce. Like, they can all go down another 30%. None of these stocks have to bounce, but I think yesterday was a good risk reward type of an opportunity. And I kind of wish I'd done more TQQ, to be honest. I should have put half my account in it. And now Square getting rejected right at the 20-day moving average, the declining 20-day moving average. NMM weekly flag. I mean, it's very choppy, man. I don't know. I wouldn't be trading. It's super choppy. There's no, I don't know. It looks very random. I wouldn't be trading this. I made you profitable? No, you made yourself profitable. QQQ. But it's not at the 20 moving average. It's far away. But it's a good thing. It's a very good if it could pull back, go sideways for a few days. Annette. Yeah, it's one of these. Wow, it's actually a past leader that's holding up really well. That's a rare sight. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see if these things are gonna get. Just look at the bounce watch list from yesterday. That's a pretty big watch list. You know, all of these things are kind of hitting that declining 20-day moving averages and kind of getting rejected for now. We'll see. Yeah, it's very interesting. I don't really have high hopes. But it would be nice if they kind of, have some, red sideways stays and then have another leg up and they all go back to the declining 50. They have another leg up, like something like Twilio, right? If it kind of consolidates here and then goes back to the 50, or BNTX or CrowdStrike or Roku or Snow, or, all of these. That would be nice. But again, I don't have very high hopes. I think we're gonna have a lot of chop. There's been so much easy money, so many clean trends over the past few years. We'll see. We will see. Damn, Soxu was a nice third-day reversal. I was hoping for one more day of a bounce. Spice, third-day reversal. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It looks like day 2 to me because it went sideways for like a week. And also, guys, in these types of markets, don't watch every tick. Get a hobby. Watch YouTube. Read a book. Take a walk with your dog. You don't need to watch every tick. You're just gonna go crazy. This is not an easy money type of environment. This is a very highly correlated environment, and these types of markets are better traded with the ETFs because everything kind of moves the same way anyways, pretty much. So it's just easier to do with triple ETFs, for example. Like guys, I'm telling you, like an easy money environment, you can double, triple your accounts in a couple of months, right? This is not it. This is not an easy money environment. Not even for day traders. Because you don't get a lot of like individual, you know, stocks that move on their own. Everything is super correlated. It's when you start seeing things decoupling from the indices, that's when you know better times may be ahead. And when you see a lot of good setups. Right now, I just don't... The only things I really get excited about is the oil sector. There's a lot of, you know, flags. Again, I'm not going to do the individual names. I'll just do the ETFs. But man, I wish I had my half-size ERX from 30.50 or $31 or whatever it was. Kind of should have followed my sell rules. Oh well. That was a good setup. Easy money environments, January, February 2021, mid-October to mid-November last year. And we're gonna have 1 or 2 easy money environments this year. I'm 100% certain. There's a couple of easy money environments every year. Even during bear market years. He said the B word? What's the B word? What did I say? B word? What's that? Brandy? Bear? Oh, bear? Well, you know, a lot of sectors are in a bear market. That's a fact. Biotech is just brutal. Like XPI was down 52% from the last year February highs. IBB, not as much, but still almost 30%. And a lot of the tech stocks, the high multiple software names, etc., that have been leading the past 3-4 years, you know, most of them are down 50-70%. So a lot of, and you know, even a lot of quality companies, they got a little bit too expensive. But the major indices have been holding up fairly well. You know, SPYs were down, what, 12%, not a big deal. Qs were down 18%. Oh, more than I thought, but still, you know. It's Kenny Boy's market. Yeah, Kenny Boy's minting money in this environment. Just as like he does in every market environment. As a Swede, why do you choose an American broker instead of trading in ISK Valutakonto Pareto? Well, I suggest you open up a Swedish brokerage account and trade US markets. You'll find some things pretty quickly. You'll figure it out very quickly. The money you save in taxes, it's an illusion. Let me just say that. What's the stock I had in my Swiss bank? Yeah, Trupanion. Yeah, I have it my Swiss bank account. Any clue how I could open a Centerpoint account when the country I live is blocked? Well, kind of answers your own question. You can't. You can try another broker. There are others. There's like Guardian. There's fuck. I don't even know the. You know, there's very similar ones. Yeah, Cobra. Oh, CF is also going, yeah. Are CF and MOS going up because the markets look like shit? I don't understand your logic with the question. They are going up because funds want to get into those stocks. Yeah, all the oil names are starting to, yeah, not this one. Can you give on the reason why not getting in ERX? I had ERX. I bought it on the buy spot here, and then I sold it for no reason. Any other questions? Ah, that was a joke? Yeah, I get it now. Because they're fertilizer stocks. I got the joke now. Yes, that's why they're going up. Is UPS an EP candidate? Sure. Yeah, these old gas names are moving. Yeah, another old gas name. Oh, Hubs is kind of reversing. Well, these these software names didn't last for long. Did I follow my sell rules on DVAC? Yes. I'm always in a good mood. What are you talking about? What made you look at the agriculture sector? They were on my scans, and there are some obvious setups there. No, I don't have a sector scan. I scan the whole market. You don't need any sector scans. You just need a scan that's good enough. Well, looks like everything tech related is reversing, while a lot of these commodity type of names are going higher. Yeah, KRBN is really tightening up. Yep. Looks like it wants to go higher. It's super slow though, 1.9 ADR. I have been watching this, but man. On the other end, this LIT, I was watching this thing back in May, April, May, and I think I even bought it once or twice, but I got stopped out, and then we got the real move. And kind of made a 35% move in a month or two. Not bad. Same thing with REMX too. Or actually these things are much faster than KRBN, never mind. $9.54 candle on NRGU. Yeah, $9.54, $9.55, that's me. That's right. Well, this bounce kind of losing steam quickly. Oh, AMD has earnings today? Oh, they do. Interesting. Finally, some interesting companies starting to report. The chart looks like shit. Why I picked Moss over CF? Moss had a better setup. QCOM. Yeah, this thing had a nice little EP. Actually, it wasn't that nice. Didn't move out much. If Hobbs closes weak today, I'm gonna sell it. TQQ. Well, TQQ have a really good entry, so we'll see. Hobbs I don't have as good of an entry. Yeah, I was also looking for Hood. I was also hoping for like, you know, high teens or something. That would have been a nice bounce and the potential mean reversion setup. And also SC, I was hoping for that high 160 area. Oh well. Vet. KK, the type of guy that drinks out of a can using a straw? How did you know? How the fuck did you know? That's exactly right. Sound, oh. Well, I'm drinking these energy drinks. They're not very good for the teeth, so I'm using a straw. Otherwise, I won't have any teeth in 5 years. Exactly. Helps avoid cavities. Because, you know, it's just... I haven't gotten it verified, but bald guys without teeth are not very popular. And I don't want to verify it myself. I can live with the bald, but I can't live without teeth, man. Man, some of these things have fallen so much. Look at this rocket. Remember when we were buying a rocket back in March? I bought it after earnings day and it shot up like 80% in 1 day or 2 days. And now look at it. This is why sell rules are so important. Imagine sitting in this thing this whole time and you're down like 50-60%. What a waste of resources. Yeah, space too. Holy shit, man. I remember buying it on the setup here. Or did I? I think I bought it here. I got stopped out and now look at it. Jesus. Down, wait, it's down how much? From the June highs, it was down like 85%, yeah. Holy shit. Brutal. I just say one thing, it's brutal. Why are ETFs like ERX doing super well, but look, like something like Gush and XOP are kind of... Oh, X-Gas exploration and production. Oh, okay. So these types of stocks, they don't benefit from rising oil prices, right? And the ERX is what? Just energy? Hey guys, what's the unlevered ETF of ERX? Like XLE, right? Yeah, XLE is the one. Yeah. Well, I guess I... Oh. Well, in that case, I'm not even gonna watch this XOP and Gush if they don't benefit. These are the laggards. I don't want to be in laggards. I got half size on NRGU at least. Don't I feel fear looking at the chart right now? No. Why should I feel fear? I know exactly how much money I'm gonna lose if I get stopped out. Why should I feel fear? I don't care. I don't even look at it. All I'm thinking about right now is which one of the videos in my YouTube queue I'm gonna watch next after I quit the stream, after I close the stream. That's what I'm thinking about. Fuck it. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Thanks for joining, see you tomorrow.